Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change video aspect ratio and background with in movavi. So all you have to do is open the movavi application on your Android device. So and then tap to make new video here and try to use the widescreen video here if you have the Instagram a resolution. You can use the wide video. So after that, you can use the background here. You can use the background here, the black, the color, the other color here. If you use the PC version, you can use the background from the files. So maybe this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.